storm warning is in effect for the following marine location: coastal waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line, Florida to Pensacola, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Tropical storm warning in effect. Small craft advisory is canceled. What? South winds 25 to 35 knots with gusts up to 45 knots and seas 9 to 14 feet. Where? Coastal waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line, Florida to Pensacola, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. When? Tropical storm force winds expected from late tonight through Monday, mainly by 10 nautical miles from shore. Impacts. Conditions will be hazardous to small craft. Mariners should alter plans to avoid these hazardous conditions. Remain in port, seek safe harbor, alter course, and slash or secure the vessel for severe conditions. Ida forecast to strengthen.